All right, so today we're looking at journaling part 2. So basically just looking at a couple of more ways to accelerate your learning, accelerate your skill development through recording or writing things down. I'll leave the link to the first video in the description in case you missed it. But basically the exercise today just involves making a list of all the things that you want to achieve or what you want to be able to do. Now, this works actually just as well in movement training as well as in just general life, so feel free to expand on this if you like. But as I said, you're just going to take a minute in the day or 2 minutes, whatever you got. You can do this at the end of your training session again if that's one place where you know you'll have the time in the day to do this. But you're just going to fill a page or 2 pages of a small notebook and just write down whether it's the strength goals or the skills that you want to achieve and learn. It doesn't have to be massively realistic, so you can write down a 1-arm handstand when you're barely able to do a press up if that's something that you're going to want to be able to do in the future, maybe. And it also doesn't have to be consistent, so every single day you can be writing down different things. Basically what this is going to do, one, it's going to help with motivation for training. The more you get used to verbalizing or writing out loud, saying out loud the specific things you want, the more your brain's gonna listen to that and kind of help you get on board with going for those goals. And secondly, the fact that we don't have to be consistent about it is you're going to start to notice some of the things you're going to change your mind about a lot. Some of the things are going to stay the same. So it actually, the things that are staying the same every single day, you might start to realize that those are the things that you seem to be considering important all the time, whereas the other things that are changing based on day-to-day stuff, whether it's you've seen something different or you're in a different mood, they might not be the things that you want to devote all of your resources into. So it can help quite a lot with planning your training as well. So seeing which things should I actually be spending consistent time on and which things should I maybe just be dabbling with, playing with here and there. So pretty simple exercise for today. That's all we got. Let me know how you get on, leave a comment, leave a message. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.